Happy holidays! For today's craft, we're going to be making a Spider-Man ornament. For the materials, I used a plastic ornament, some red yarn, and permanent markers. However, you could substitute with whatever is available. First, I started by filling the ornament with red yarn. However, you can use any red material that you have. I stuffed it until it was pretty full, and then I made sure to put the top on by squeezing the sides. Then it was time for decorating. I started by creating my web for Spider-Man. I started by creating a plus sign and then diagonals in between to create the structure of the web. Then I followed this pattern to connect the adjacent lines together, and I repeated until the ornament was filled to the top. For the eyes, I created a slanted shape. I kept checking to make sure it was even, but I did the best I could. Then I went in with a lighter colored Sharpie to fill in the eyes. But since it did not look that great, I ended up going back in with a chalk white marker to fill in the eyes. As you can see, it made it look much better, so I recommend using it initially. Finally, I just went in with a ribbon to make it look better. For caution, please make sure to use scissors carefully. Ta-da! That is it, and I hope you give it a try. Elsa will love whatever you create. Thank you for watching. Samoyed Studios.